So is there a warning for us?
Not yet.
Not yet?
I won't be able to find out.
How about your weather radio?
Huh?
Can your weather
I don't know
radio?
where that is.
Huh?
Where is that?
You just added it.
Yeah, you told me to put it away, so I put it away and I can't remember where.
Okay, that's like...
Here it is.
Yeah, why don't you, there's nothing here to see, so why don't you take a camera and try the weather radio.
We're being chased. The chaser becomes the chased.
You got your switch flipped? This is the bad part right here, Dick.
Yeah, wow, this is cool. There's more behind us too, so we gotta watch out for that.
Is your Wi-Fi switch on?
Yeah, Wi-Fi switch on. The network switch on. It's kind of cool.
Maybe that big.
It's a retreat.
And engine handle rate at 12 minutes.
Oh. Damn, Dick.
So it's not like Colfax.
It's over here, it's really hanging.
Uh-huh. It's about where it would be.
Okay, what's your network? You get some Wi-Fi here, maybe.
We should get a signal in Saybrook, shouldn't we?
Not necessarily.
This is really cool.
Is it Saybrook?
Yeah. I got Wi-Fi. I got Wi-Fi. I need.
You can't just stop, Dick.
Okay, it's locked. Okay. What's behind us? Is there?
Car.
Can you see any? Oh wow.
See that cloud hanging down right there?
Uh huh. Probably
And that's connected.
one of several options for Wi-Fi. I have. Is that in front of us?
Okay, we're watching Wi-Fi.
Light rain in the town of Saybrook.
Is there anything yet?
No signal. Okay. I can get a Wi-Fi here if you can pull in the cases for a second, so we can just.
Hang on, I got the computer.
Alright, good idea.
Anything different?
Can we get out of town?
Yeah, we won't get anything then.
We're not gonna get anything anyways. So I'd rather be able to see something instead of be. Fine. Okay, can we pull in the street right here?
Got the computer?
Never mind, never mind. Shoot, everything's encrypted in Saybrook. What is with that?
I don't want to get all your stuff.
I think we want to go that way, maybe.
Back east?
I don't know. What do you think? Once we got here, we'll
I don't know where the weather's at.
Awful. Awful, awful, awful.
We're in Saybrook. That was one that was in line for Saybrook.
Looks like it's foot north. Like,
Yeah, start looking around. Police kind of moving, going that way. See it?
yeah, I do.
Going west. It's right over here.
I can't see very well.
Heavy rain up here now.
Uh-huh.
I need that.
Actually, could be in, I would catch her at 9.
You what?
I would catch her at 9.
Kidding.
I was thinking 54, but then that's going to take us straight up into it again. We're just gonna,
Hey, is Mom there?
Yeah, give me a second.
Okay, thanks. Yeah, we got funny here. Hey! Hello? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Hello? Can you hear me?
No, I can't hear.
Hey, get the gutter on the driveway. You have it already.
Get the what?
The gutter on the driveway.
Okay, I will. What am I gonna do? I got everything picked up.
Yeah, I'm thinking about it.
Okay.
Okay, love you.
Love you, bye.
wow, you can't even see 50 feet.
What's that mean? Rotation?
Yeah.
I don't want to get in it.
You don't want to get in?
No. I want to see it. I don't want to be in it.
Well, you're not going to see it unless you're in it because the ratings are hard.
Nothing's showing. All these cords starting to get pretty funky looking. See that?
Yeah, I do.
Where do you want to go?
I still got a signal, so
54?
yeah, 54 would be good. And we can take 54 north.
Yeah, 54 is right up here. Just they can shift too. We don't want to be in it. I want to see it. I don't want to feel it. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Hitting a lot of water on the road. Get that one?
Yeah.
That was right there, man.
Wow.
That was a good one.
I have a metal piece in my
You got that?
Yeah.
It's like right here, wasn't it?
Yeah, it's that too probably. It's 7. Well, that.
Houston 128, are you aware Fort County is completely offline with the radio traffic, or did you hear any of that?
Just now
I
that
don't know.
you spoke of it, but I did hear that somebody got hit with lightning. I'll check and see if it was them.
Yeah, well, I hear them talking, fireman talking, so they had to call in to sheriff's office.
That's what I want. Those weather watchers.
Oh.
We'll go south to Elliott. Okay. So where's the storm? Where's Elliott at?
That's cool. I'm gonna retire